Videos are for educational purposes only.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, using your affordable nail drill, remove the shine from the fake tips safely.
Running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me.
Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips, magnetic nail holder, and adhesive putty.
I just take it day by day. Never hearing what they say. I just do it my way. All I got is these broken cars. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love, and still love, and still love, and still love, still love, still love, and still love, and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got.
Now, we're going to shape and buff the nails while removing the shine.
Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days. No break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever. I was down with whatever and then some. You
Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
than yesterday. I just take it day by day. Never hearing what they say.
Hey Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. This is going to be the affordable gel polish that we're going to be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
Still love, still love, still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. Don't beat me, sleep past 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel young.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Apply a second layer of gel polish. Hey Goddess babes, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. This is going to be the second affordable gel polish that we're going to be using. Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
It's at midnight. You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive could end in burning flames or paradise. Fake interview. Oh, it's been a while since I have even heard from you.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. The gel top coat that I'm going to be using today is from Ickle Beauty, which is one of my favorite nail brands. Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
You got that James Dean daydream look.
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Up style, we never go out of style. Got that long hair, slick back, white t-shirt.
The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks.
We never go out of style. We never go out of style. Take me up, just take me up.
Hey Goddess Babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Oh, you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red plastic thing that you like, and when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out.
Hey Goddess Babes, Sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
Baby, won't mean anything. All the riches, baby, don't bring what your love can bring. All the riches, baby, won't mean anything. Don't need no other, baby, and nothing is better than gold. And I know if I was a rich girl, na 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 na. See, I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl. Don't make it test me, impress me. My cash flow would never ever end. 'Cause I'd have all the money in the world if I was a wealthy girl.
Come together all over the world, from the hood to Japan, Harajuku, girl. What? It's all love, what? Give it up, what? Come together.
Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary nails. Intent to learn, DIY, how-to, making money online, all in one video.
I might come, I might go out.
And now I'm finished with my simple and easy nail art design.